April 11th, and they are going away at the wet food. We wet the food down and they're chomping away on that one. It just took one to do it. They all followed. Awesome. So you got Katsu right down here at the right, and Foxy's on the left. Then these top three. On the left is Jasper. In the middle is Yeti. And on the right is Loki. And there's Daisy watching. She's not really caring about the pups. She's waiting to get their dog food. Look at that. Foxy's kind of like the more alert one. She kind of follows Kathy. When Kathy walked around, she looked around to follow her with her eyes. Ooh, look at Foxy chow down. Yes. See if we can get there's Katsu eating?
No, I don't think she was.
Put her back over there, see if we'll get her to get started.
She was the first one to put her head in there.
There she goes, yeah. Okay. Yep, they're doing it. All right. Good job, everybody.